Ancient Egyptian people used the device called the Merkhet. Merkhet involved the use of a bar with a plumb line attached to a wooden handle. It was more efficient than other contemporary devices such as sundials, which were rendered useless during the dark. For the operation to work, two Merkhets were required, one aligned with Polaris, the North Pole star. One person would have stood at an observation point and sighted the falling star through a narrow slit in a palm leaf known as bay. A second person could move until a plumb bob crossed the line of sight and then mark a point on the ground. This process would be repeated to create an angle between where a star rises and where it falls.